Hello guys. Okay, so I think you've seen me mixed up many batches of bath bombs, and I'm calling this one Woman's Cry. And this is Just Fizzy Fairy. This is such a gorgeous mold, and I'm gonna be packing this with I'm gonna share this recipe online. So what I'm gonna be doing is putting this pink in certain areas. Okay, let me do that. So I think I got the pink into the areas I wanted to go into. Actually, I don't want it in the eyes. Oh, the eyes is, you see what I just did? The eyes are all the way over here. Oh, there we go again. I want it into specific areas, and I want it all over. I'm trying to hold this camera and do this. Okay, so let's get this one in there. It's gonna go on top of the pink. That's a beautiful, rich purple color. It's beautiful. Okay guys, I am back. I'm so sorry, but I had to do this off camera because I was getting annoyed with myself. Ooh, her eyes are deep and mysterious. And look at that sweet, gorgeous, just gorgeous. I don't think I'll be painting her, maybe a little bit of something. We'll see. Alright guys.